Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not opening. So first, what you'd want to do is open up your task manager and make sure that Discord is closed right here. So find Discord. So Discord is here, so this one, right click on it, then click on End Task. Boom. Once that's done, exit out of it. And what you want to do now is uninstall Discord. So completely uninstall it. For you to do that, open Windows R. So click Windows plus R, then type in percentage, app data percentage right here. Click on that and open it up. Find Discord here, right here, then click on delete. Once that's done, go back on this tab right here on app data, click on that, go to local, then find Discord again. So Discord is right here. Then click on delete. So once that's done, I suggest that you open your browser. So once you're here, we'll need to download Discord again. So search for Discord, go to download right here, and click on download for Windows. Wait for it to finish. Then right here, let's click on download, open the exe file. Wait for it to download. Then right there, it's installing. And as you can see, it opens up right here and it auto logs me in since I'm logged in my browser. And right there. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.